yo lupa chia cha chua ya tỏ bê tiền ra những chi chua con
bộ thủ trong một cuộc chiến nào cái mà tự nó cái độ cái một cho số một cái một cái số một
biết chưa
kiểu ở từ lúc bóng thì cái bọn lúc bóng tại cái thằng nó lúc nào giờ lúc em này với gì nó chỉ ở tàu bên trong xe sắp tới đi chỉ tàu cho con này một con tư đi thì rồi nó thì cho con này cơ để tôi cái là gì nó để một cái chuyện sau khi sửa là tàu bên cái chuyện ở lúc nhưng mà lâu chân đời sửa tàu bên cái
sửa tàu bên cái là sửa đi lên một cái chiếc xe này
đi là chiếc xe con này là chiếc xe
con đã xin à我不知道吗？có mà sao có bún lót có đấy xíu thôi à
cái đà thế cái chuyện sai
ui bây giờ tôi lên nó nè cho tôi tôi lên cha nè tôi lên nó
As far as boat operations go, there are 3 of us on board. Down on the bottom deck somewhere is Jenna. Jenna is one of our tour guides out here. She's from Portage, Wisconsin, just down the river, just one of the next towns over. Kind of a local. Let's play stuff out here. Up here on the top deck, this is Ben. That's Ben. He's one of our pilots out here. He's from Baraboo, Wisconsin, the next town over in the opposite direction of Portage. Show you where the life jackets are and how to use those. On the bottom deck, towards the front, on either side of Felix, our musician tonight, up in those aluminum bins on either side of Felix. And towards the stern, on the port side, there's a wooden box with a blue cover back by the grills on the side of the companionway steps. Top deck, there are 2 aluminum bins on either side of the companionway steps towards the stern. They all contain a mix of adult and child size life vests. And they are all the standard horseshoe style. They're up to us, but should be all right, Timmons. See what happens. And down there towards the bow on the bottom deck, that is Felix Signs, gracing us with his presence tonight. So he plays on the nights that I work, so that's always wonderful to listen to his beautiful music. A little bit out here. He'll be playing tunes for us tonight. Makes his way up here on the Take him from the fire to the frying pan. She just keeps on trying, and she smiles when she feels like crying. Thank you, Felix. You may have noticed that the river got quite a bit wider out here. This is called Stand Rock Bay. Stand Rock is up and to the left up in the trees there, kind of the trademark of the Dells. This is where the water backed up when they built the Kilbourne Dam in 1909. Soon alongside the right, you'll start to see some cliffs. The tallest cliffs in the Dells, a series of cliffs on our right-hand side, soon to be. These are called the Sunset Cliffs. The sun does set pretty much dead ahead of us, a little bit to the left maybe, but just to the left of that bluff in the distance. You see the Sunset Cliffs starting to come into view. These cliffs are really lit up by the sun at the end of the daytime. On the other side of Sunset Cliff is a gap in the cliffs there. That is the Witch's Gulch. We'll be turning into there. But this Stand Rock, this is Stand Rock Bay. This is where we'll be cruising around when the sun sets. If that was not inferred. So around the corner is the Witch's Gulch. The Witch's Gulch is a beautiful place, one of the most beautiful places in Wisconsin, if not the entire region. That's Glacial Meltwater Canyon. The temperature drops about 10 degrees back there. It's a very easy walk. All flat wooden boardwalk. It's about 2 blocks long, so 4 blocks total. So in and out of the same pan, pretty simple stuff. You can bring your drinks with you. The open bar ends in 3 minutes. Open bar ends at 7 o'clock in 3 minutes. I'd like to land at about 7:10. 7:10 or 7:15. The boardwalk's maybe slippery back there, so just be careful as you walk back through the Witch's Gulch. You're also suspended about 15 feet over a trout stream. It's a beautiful place, the Witch's Gulch. So once again, you can bring your drinks with you if you wish. If you wish to leave them on your tables, that's fine too. Your servers will leave them there. They'll kind of put some napkins and other things on the table, but they'll still be there when you get back. But ahead of us is Sunset Cliff once again on the right, Signal Point on our left. So once again, we're going to land at about 7:10. I'll give you a new time once we land. Just going to remain seated as we come into the back, but everybody enjoy the Witch's Gulch.